How to crop square picture into the circle in Google Slides. So in this video we are going to learn about. So let's start with the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Google Slide. So let me first insert the picture. Just go to the picture, go to the image, and you can upload it from computer. Just click on it. Okay, so now I need to take the picture from my device. Just select that picture and just open it. Now it will be open like this. Now here go to the crop, and you can crop your image. You can take the the part of your image as per your requirement, so you can crop it. Okay, before we make it square. Okay, sorry, before we make it circle shape. So after you're done, just click outside. It will be cropped as per your requirement. Now just select the image. Now you have to click on this teeny down arrow and go to the shape, and here you need to click on this oval shape. Now you can see your picture has been changed from square to circle. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.